Hi, this is Pampered by Shalisa, here to share with you a little bit about our deluxe cooking blender and our Enrichables products. So these actually came out in the spring. I didn't try it at first, to be honest, but I thought about some great ways that you can incorporate veggies into your meal, particularly protein and fiber is what I was interested in. So I have the pea protein here, and you're able to buy these by the packet, or you can subscribe to them as well, and shipping is free. But you can add these into just about anything in order to beef up the health quality of your meal. And so I thought about a lot of my friends that are vegans, particularly into plant-based proteins, and I thought I would share this. So this pea protein I'm gonna use in our smoothie today and in our deluxe cooking blender. So this blender is everything, y'all. So you can make soups in this blender. You can make sauces in this blender, like pasta sauces. You can make nut butters if you're into that. You can do it 3 minutes. You can do jams, all kinds of things in here, but it also makes delicious smoothies. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I'll show you guys how it works. So there's multiple settings on here. Oh, and let me also mention that it cleans itself. So yeah, there's that. So in order to begin, I like to use water in my smoothies because I feel like the more stuff I add to it, the higher the calories go, and that's working against me. So I'm gonna add in 1 cup of liquid, and I'm doing 2 servings here. Now the blender has a 7-cup capacity, so you can make lots of stuff in here. Lots of room. Like I said, you can do soups and things. And I'm just putting in some spinach, some fresh spinach that I love. I put spinach in just about anything these days. I'm gonna add in some frozen frozen fruits. So this is like blackberries, blueberries, and some strawberries too that I had in the refrigerator. And y'all know I don't like to waste stuff. So adding that in there. And then some bananas. And normally I like to add apples too, but I don't have any apples, so we're not having apples today, but there's that fiber again. So pea protein, you need 1 scoop per serving of what you're using. Comes with a little scoop. So I'm gonna add in 2 scoops of my pea protein. A lot of parents like these Enrichables too, because if your kids don't like vegetables, my kids love vegetables, I don't know. But if your kids don't like vegetables, this is a great way to kind of sneak it in for them and help them get their veggies. So that's it. I'm gonna set this on to our smoothie setting on here, and it is going to be amazing. So there's that, okay? So I put the lid on that lets me know that it's ready, and I'm going to select smoothie here. It knows to go to 1 minute. This runs at 2 horsepower, so it's pretty strong. So people who like Nutra whatevers and all those other things, it's pretty comparable. So that's that. We're gonna run it 1 minute and it'll be all done. Well, let's see. There's the warning. Here we go. That sound means we're all done. So let's get this off and see what we've got here. Again, just 1 minute on the smoothie setting. All of the settings have a preset time. You can also do a custom with this and do your own thing, so totally up to you. And let's see what we got. You could also use ice if you didn't want to use water. Again, personal choice. Yum. And then I'm just going to slice up a blackberry here. So I have some fresh blackberries just to make it pretty. And there we go. Here's our smoothie. It's got pea protein inside, so it's gonna have a little extra vitamin kick for us, as well as an important protein. So this is Pampered by Shalisa.